walks Julia's dog once a day for 50 per day. Julia values the service at 60 per week. So first of all, they have intersected the equilibrium. Intersection is 50. Julia values this service as 60. So her valuation for the service is 60. She pays only 50. So she earns a consumer surplus of 10. While opportunity cost of Andrea's time is 30. So Andrea can work for 30 or more. She gets 50. So which means she makes 20 more. So this is Andrea. This is producer. This is consumer. Total surplus is 30. The government places a tax of 35. The total surplus in the market is 30. But the government charged 35. And the government charged a tax more than what the total surplus was. Everything is gone from the market. Everything is eradicated from the market, right? So because everything is eradicated from the market, after tax, the total surplus will simply be 0. The maximum surplus was 30. Now, this is the maximum that they were earning, but they ended up paying more than what they were earning. They ended up paying 35 to the government. So it will go down to 0. This is the answer. Come to the next question. In the market for widgets, the supply curve is typical upward sloping straight line and demand curve downward. Equilibrium is 200 per month when there is no tax. So I have a demand curve and a supply curve. And my equilibrium quantity is 200. There is a tax of 5 imposed. This is my tax. The price paid by buyer increases by 2, and the after tax price received by seller is by 3. So which means that this gap now, the buyer is paying 2 more and producer is receiving 3 less. The government can raise 750 per month in revenue. So this is 750. 750. What is the deadweight loss? Just try and do this. So tax revenue is tax into quantity. My tax is 5 rupees. Quantity I don't know. This I don't know. But I am collecting 750. So quantity would be 750 divided by 5, which would be 150. What is deadweight loss? Deadweight loss is this triangle. So deadweight loss will be half into base, which is 50, into height, which is 5. So it will be 125. So the answer is B. Simple.